Well, hello there from Hong Kong. It's been a while. Alright, as you can see here, this is my new coil winding jig. I've found this little device is pretty cool. I've made a bracket so I can mount the square amorphous iron core so I can wind it. I've got my 7mm wire and I've got my 5mm wire up here. A lot of stainless steel, a lot of aluminium, but I don't know if you can see back there, but this is my counter. It tells me how many meters, centimeters and meters, so I hope you can see that. But what I've got is I've got this made so if this line comes through, I can, when I take this part off, I've got for my empty bobbins, the standard round bobbins, so it'll come up through here. And then now for the square one, it'll go through this hole, go around the wheel, and then come up, and then I can keep doing it. But now this little device, this is kind of an antique, or I don't know, but I bought it, it's brand new. What it does is it goes and it tells me how many turns. So, and I've got a gear ratio, so I turn here and it's slow, so every full revolution it tells me here. But then on this other needle here, I can go up to, it'll tell me up to 5,100 turns. So as right now I'm on 0, and if I keep spinning it, and I go around and it starts going past, now let's make this quicker. Let's get it over there as you really get it spinning. But as it gets closer to, there's 90, 95 turns. Now I should be on 100. So as it comes past, you can see from 0, it's at the next notch, which is 100. So I have 104. 110, 115. So that's going to tell me how many turns that I have. And then I've got back there, I've got my length of my meter. And so even knowing that, I buy, and I think everybody buys their magnetic wire, or that they don't salvage. When they do buy it, it comes by the kilo. Well, I've attached this little gadget so I can pre-weigh my core and then when I'm done winding the core, it'll go and it'll tell me how many kilos of wire I put on it, so if I run out, I know how much wire I have to buy. So, but I am now ready to start making this first coil. So I've just completed this moments ago. So that's where I stand. I'm ready to make a coil. And again, I want to make it so I'm going to put the run coil on first, which will be at between 8 and 9 ohms. I want to put on 214 meters for my run, and then my trigger coil is going to go on top of the trigger coil, because all the other coils around it are just going to be a single run. So then that way everything is balanced, and this core is just going to grab the magnetic field all the way through. So with this, it'll probably be at 4 ohm. I don't remember. I have to look on the paper to see how many meters that was. It's going to go over the top of it. But that's where I'm at. So stay tuned, folks, and I'll be talking to you from Hong Kong shortly. Be good, be safe, be well. Bye-bye.